Come on in. Let's make some printers.
I design the printer hardware.
I code the print service software.
I make sure we can print on just about anything.
I formulate the ink.
I custom design the ink.
I stress test the inks.
I analyze print at a molecular level.
Our science solves print problems and prevents them.
I put AI in our print experience.
I test for speed.
Shh. I listen to the printers.
I make print sustainable.
I assemble the inkjet pens.
I optimize the assembly lines.
I'm all about quality.
I keep our customer data secure.
I do system architecture for everything from presses to printers.
I make the wafers
that make the print heads
that jet the ink.
I sell the printers.
I break the printers.
I make printing subscription easy.
I help customers become future ready.
I do the marketing.
Be good? I shake the printers. I shake the printers.